All right, you ready? Bad Habitat, PC, thank you so much. He wants to know, all our regulars can answer this for Bad Habitat, but I'll read the question. What GPU do you recommend on a triple 1440p, 32-inch, and a fourth monitor 1080p for streaming?
URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below.
And he's playing iRacing Simulator.
As much as you can afford.
Yep.
You can't really overbuy your GPU. You're just getting, I mean, you can, but...
So he's got 4 monitors and he's streaming. So...
I don't know what iRacing Simulator needs, though. If you want to play a single game, it shouldn't be that hard to figure out what that needs. You would think.
8 ovens? No. 8 ovens.
That's a commercial kitchen.
23090s, no. Garage, basement, office, and kitchen. Oh my gosh. You guys are hilarious.
System requirements, iRacing.
This is several, short answer, all the GPU. There you go. 2 PCs. I've seen that you need a lot for this iRacing game.
You know what's hilarious?
It's been coming up a lot.
Check this out. This isn't confusing. Minimum 4 cores, recommended 6 cores, high-end 8 cores. Well, if you recommend 6, then why is there an 8 option? Including but not limited to i9 10980XE, that's an 18-core chip, 9900KS, Ryzen 9 3900X, which is 12 cores, recommended 16 gigs, high-end 32.
32 plus.
VRAM. Yeah, if you have less than 8 gigs at this point, it's time to upgrade. For all cars and trucks.
50 gigs.
This doesn't really tell you anything, though.
No, it really doesn't.
DSL cable fiber 256K or faster is supported. Medium and high Earth orbit satellite is not support. That's an odd thing to see.
High Earth orbit satellite.
So Starlink would work. Because Starlink is low Earth orbit.
URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below. $15 gets you a Windows 10 Professional OEM key that is a real product key, activates directly with Microsoft, use it forever as it links to your Microsoft account and it works through reinstalls. Get a full copy of Office 2019 Professional Plus for about $50 that redeems at setup.office.com using your Microsoft account. It also works forever through reinstalls. We have been using URCD keys for almost 3 years now and recommend you do so as well.